Hi, my name's Gary Brennan. I've been basically most of my life I was an IT support manager working with computers. I did that for about 15 years and then I got an opportunity to go into the leisure side and I took up scuba diving and teaching scuba diving as an instructor trainer, and I taught diving on the Great Barrier Reef and also took photographs over there as well, and I got pretty good at taking photos. Right. So I love doing that, I still do it, just not as a job anymore. And fortunately I injured my back. Yeah, it was accident while lifting and moving some freight around, and I'm currently being treated for my injury. It's been going on for about a year now, so it can get very depressing with having a back injury and not being able to do a lot of things. So Creality has really helped with that, because when you not having a job is really good for a month or so, you know, you can pull it out, but then you get bored, and with boredom comes depression. And it wasn't until this accident happened that I needed something to stop me getting depression and give me something to do and give me some purpose in life. So I latched onto 3D printing, and Creality really helped me because they have all their online forums and stuff where you can go and meet people and talk to people. And I've gotten to know quite a few staff members, because all the staff members sit there and run all their forums and stuff, so that's been really good. When I'm feeling down, to try and I can feel myself going in that direction, I come into my print room here and I start scrolling through looking for something I want to print, and straight away my mind's turning away from the dark thoughts and starting to, what can I print, what can I print? And then when I start printing, all gone, I'm concentrating on, is this printer working, what I need to do here? And I've got more than one printer, as you can see. I've got 5 sitting up here. That I can, if I'm working, one's printing, I can be working on another, getting it ready for a print or designing something to send to that printer. And then by the time that one's done, I'm on to another one. So I'm always going and keeping my mind always active, so I'm not getting into that depression. So the reliance on medication isn't there. So this is my medication for my depression. One thing that made me buy more printers back in the early days was I wanted a part for my underwater camera. It cost $600. I just couldn't afford it. I'd already spent enough money on my camera. But I could print it for about $2. I'm going to buy a printer. So that's sort of how the printers sort of progressed to more and more printers, yeah. Well, the first time I went for Creality was when they brought out the Ender 3. Super cheap. Everyone was raving about it. And it was so much cheaper than other brands, mainly because of all the other things that they do apart from just 3D printing. Okay, the ones I made the most are Star Wars type stuff, because there's lots of it around, and I built quite a few drones. There's one in the corner there, that's my biggest droid thing. That's 7 foot droid. I've got lots of little figurines as well. You can see around over here's of Star Wars figurines like this guy here. So the good ones are these. You can do resin and filament. So the head's resin, the rest of it's in filament. So you can combine the two. So I've got quite,
two parts together.
Yeah, because more detail in the head. So I use resin to get the detail out. I don't print just, here's a model, print that model as is. I like the ones that are in parts that you put together. So like this one here, there's lots of parts in that one. So the kneecap's different. The kneecap's got all these little rivets you put in, and then they've got this part for the leg. So everything where it changes colour is a different part you got to print. So you're always thinking about the best way to get your print to look the way you want it to look. There's a big one up there from Predator that took my wife quite a while to paint. There's Groot there, and there's a Mandalorian one. So my wife does it all for me. She knows it makes me happy, and she'd much prefer a happy Gary than a depressed Gary. But she keeps telling me, time to start selling some to you. You're filling the house up. Got another droid to print.
So
I don't always print them life-size.
right.
So some of the ones like this little guy here,
Yeah.
he's at 50%. It's a lifelong. I love it. With the Creality group, the Creality official store, I'm a group expert. So it's the person that is on the line that helps other people as much as possible. So that's my responsibility to go in every day and just check to see if I can help someone. I find the vibes are really friendly. Everyone's happy to help. I haven't seen anyone that tells you to, if you're asking a question. I've noticed some communities that aren't the ones I'm a member of can be a bit sort of, you ask a question, why are you asking that question? It's been asked 1,000 times. It's like, dude, we all started somewhere. You can't expect them to read through hundreds of posts looking for the, because I find a lot of people say, well, what have you changed? What have you done? What filament do you use? So I try to put everything that people have asked me questions for, I try to put in the description, just so people learn. Because when I was in photography, that's how I learned photography.
That's cool.
People would put, I use this setting on my camera. Oh, really? You did that? So you go and try it next time. So instead of printing little things, I try to print big things and encourage people, hey, see, challenge yourself and go big. I've had a few people already sort of start to print bigger and bigger things, and they're really enjoying it. There's one that I've just started as well. So my one is 3D for everyone. So I post videos. I try to do it every week or two about how to do things on the printers, mainly Creality printers. But well, that 3D for everyone is mainly 3D printing.
And
I then have a laser for everyone, which is my laser printer channel, which I'm sort of just starting to put into play. It's been there a little while, but I haven't really done much on it. What I've been doing at the moment is on the laser printing groups. I print little cheat sheets. Hey, this is how you do that, and I put all the steps with little pictures in it and pop that online instead of doing a whole video on it. But I should have probably done a video short on it. If something new has come out and I've managed to purchase it, yep, I'm doing a video on it. Here it is, let's have a look at it, see how it operates. If something I have break and needs replacing or fixing, yep, let's do a video on it, show you how to do it. So recently I smashed my the screen on my Hell at March, which is, and I've never pulled one apart before, so hey, let's do a video of it and work it out, and I'll show you how I came to figure out which bolts to undo, and myself have started up a YouTube channel and Facebook page called Let's Talk Creality.
Let's Talk Creality.
Let's Talk Creality. So only on Creality products, because that's the brand we think. You know, it's not just printers. It's scanners, it's engravers, it's the whole range. If it's Creality, we'll talk about it. And we plan on, as much as we can, getting other people involved and having like a podcast type thing. I think Creality have opened the market up to a lot more people because of their pricing. Their pricing is, well, back in the day it was the best there was. You've got a Creality printer, you've got a Creality scanner. You don't have to go outside your little groups that you've formed friends with online to get help. I think things like ShareFest and stuff like that are a perfect way to get more people involved. The things you're doing that don't cost the users much but give back a lot. I think a lot of things you're doing now are really good. ShareFest is excellent. Getting people of like-minded interests together to chat and talk about things costs them nothing. You're providing it free of charge. Give little giveaways, they're always good. You're going to feel like you care and you're giving something back. Like any relationship, and it's a relationship between customer and supplier. Any relationship, you need communication. This is my underwater photography portfolio. They've got published in National Geographic. I have had some cover shots. This is my wife, Lindsay, my son, Michael. So this is pretty much my life. Thank you, Creality. Thank you for keeping me out of the depth of depression, really. Because without the online communities that I greatly value, and without Creality producing super cheap printers, I'd be in a bad place. because I wouldn't be able to afford to do what I'm doing now.